Here, I will show you how to do a left cross and right cross in knitting without using a cable needle. To start with, I've already knitted a small swatch, 24 stitches, and there is a knit 2, purl 2 rib pattern. And we are going to start by doing 2, 3 right crosses, and then we will do 3 left crosses. So my first stitch is a purl, and to work the right cross, which is the right stitch going over the left stitch, I will knit into the back of the second stitch. And then I will knit into the front of the first stitch. And that's the right cross. And so again, that is knit into the back of the second stitch. And then we're going to knit into the front of the first stitch. Purl 2. And one more time, knit into the back of the second stitch. And knit into the front of the first stitch. So that was 3 right stitch over left stitch crosses. And now I will show the left cross. For the left cross, I knit 2 together, leave the 2 stitches on the needle, but pull the working yarn out. Then I knit in between the 2 stitches. And that's the left cross. Again, that's knit 2 together and then knit in between. Let's get to the next segment. And again, that's knit 2 together, or you could even knit the left stitch and then knit the right stitch. And so we have 1, 2, 3 right crosses and 1, 2, 3 left crosses.